Are you ready to learn how to turn your YouTube channel into a passive income stream? As a YouTuber, you know that creating content takes time and effort. But what if you could make money from your content even when you're not actively creating new videos? That's the power of passive income, and I'm going to show you how to leverage it on YouTube. And the best part? You don't need millions of subscribers or a massive following to get started. In this video, I'm going to share with you the 7 best ways to make money on YouTube, and trust me, they're not your average ways. You might already know about a few ways to earn money on YouTube, but did you know there are several other ways to monetize your channel and generate income? Whether you're a beginner just starting out or a seasoned pro looking to take your income to the next level, this video has something for everyone. So, if you're ready to take your YouTube game to the next level and start making money through side hustles while you sleep, then let's dive in. Let's start with advertising revenue. You might already know about this earning way, but I will also share how to maximize the revenue. Advertising revenue is the share of revenue that YouTube content creators earn from the ads that play before or during their videos. The amount you earn from advertising revenue depends on several factors, such as the number of views, engagement, and ad format. To qualify for advertising revenue, you need to meet YouTube's partner program requirements. This includes having at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours over the past 12 months. Focus on creating engaging and high-quality content that keeps viewers watching. Use relevant or high CPM RPM keywords and tags to help your videos show up in search results or earn more money, and promote your videos on social media to reach a wider audience. Another way to make passive money as a YouTuber is through merchandising. Merchandising is the practice of selling merchandise, such as clothing, accessories, or other products, with your logo or brand, and you do not need any investment to start this business. For YouTubers, this can be a great way to build a stronger connection with your audience and earn passive income at the same time. To start selling merchandise, you'll need to design your products. For this, you can use Canva or Photoshop to design a product, and you can also hire the freelancer for this work. There are several platforms that can help you create and sell merchandise, such as Teespring, Redbubble, and Spreadshirt, and all these platforms are mostly free. Once you have your products ready to go, you can promote them on your YouTube channel and social media profiles. You might create a dedicated merch store on your website or link to your products in the descriptions of your videos. Benefit of selling merchandise is that it can provide a reliable source of passive income. Next up, we have affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is the practice of promoting other people's products or services and earning a commission for any sales made through your unique affiliate link. For YouTubers, this can be a great way to monetize your channel without creating your own products or services. To get started with affiliate marketing, you'll need to find products or services. Many companies have affiliate programs that you can sign up for, or you can use affiliate networks like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or ShareASale to find products to promote. One benefit of affiliate marketing is that it can be a relatively passive way to earn money. Once you've created your content and included your affiliate link, you can earn commissions from any sales made through that link without having to do any additional work. Crowdfunding is another way to make money as a YouTuber, but not a passive income way. As a YouTuber, you might use crowdfunding to fund a specific video project, such as a documentary or a short film. You can create a campaign page where you explain the project and the costs involved, and offer rewards to backers based on their level of support. There are several popular crowdfunding platforms, such as Kickstarter, Indiegogo, and GoFundMe. These platforms allow creators to create a campaign page where they can explain their project, set a funding goal, and offer rewards to backers in exchange for their support. Fifth way to make money as a YouTuber, we have sponsorships. Essentially, sponsored content is when a brand or company pays a YouTuber to create content featuring their products or services. Sponsored content is often a win-win situation for both the YouTuber and the brand. The YouTuber gets paid for creating content, and the brand gets exposure to the YouTuber's audience. In summary, sponsored content is a great way for YouTubers to make money by working with brands and companies. Patreon is another best and easy way for YouTubers to make money. Patreon is a membership platform that allows YouTubers to receive donations or fan funding from their viewers in exchange for exclusive content, perks, and rewards. With Patreon, YouTubers can create different membership tiers, each with its own set of perks and rewards. Last, and one of my favorite ways to make money as a YouTuber, we have create their own products or services. There are many types of products and services that YouTubers can create and promote on their channel. Some examples include online courses, ebooks, coaching services, physical products such as merchandise, and even software or apps. One of the benefits of creating your own products or services is that you have complete control over the content and the revenue. Remember, becoming a successful YouTuber takes time, dedication, and consistent content creation, but by leveraging one or more of these methods, you can turn your passion for creating videos into a profitable side hustle or even a full-time career. So what are you waiting for? Get out there and start making some money on YouTube. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and leave a comment down below letting us know which of these methods you're most excited to try out. Also make sure to hit that subscribe button down below to stay up to date with all of our latest videos on making money online.